Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted message on WhatsApp Messenger. Before we start, you need to know one thing. WhatsApp can only restore deleted message if you have backup. If backup were turned off before, old deleted messages cannot be restored. But if backup were turned on, you are good to go. Open your WhatsApp Messenger. In bottom right corner, you will see settings. Tap on that. Tap to chats. Tap to chat backup. Here you will see the date and time of your last update backup, whether it's on iCloud in iPhone, Google Drive in Android. Now, to restore old messages, you must reinstall WhatsApp. So go ahead and delete WhatsApp Messenger from your phone. Go to App Store or Google Store, search for WhatsApp Messenger and reinstall it. Open the app and enter your phone number. Verify it using the 16 SMS code WhatsApp will send you. After verification, WhatsApp will automatically detect your backup. Tap to restore. Wait for restoration process to finish. This may take a few minutes depending on your WhatsApp size. Once it's done, all your data, chat, photo, videos that were saved in backup will reappear. You can recover messages that were deleted after your last backup. You cannot recover messages deleted before the last backup or if backup were turned off. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.